Good morning from Thunburi train station here in Bangkok. Today, for just 100 baht, we're taking a 3-hour journey to Kanchanaburi, home to the famous River Kwai Bridge, one of the most significant sites in World War II history here in Thailand. Along the way, we're going to experience local train travel, explore the history of the Death Railway, and see a side of Thailand that most tourists never get to experience.
Attention please, welcome to Thonburi Station. Please check your belongings before leaving the train.
So these are what the trains look like nowadays. They're all pretty renovated, but maybe even like 10, 15 years ago, these are all olden style trains. Now they look much newer. Here's a train to Kanchanaburi. Here we are, boys. As you can see, we got ladies selling, but on this train you can also see that you have the seating area here. Put my phone on. And over here, looks like you got some chairs. It's like bathroom bomba. Yeah, as you can see, you got chairs over there. Back them out though. Yo. So yeah, that's the train here.
Please do not litter on the platform floor or on the train.
Alright guys, so we just made it here to the River Kwai. You have these officers that come by, snip your ticket, stamp. All right, guys, we made it. Hello. We made it. Hello. All right, guys, just made it here. Let's go see this place. Got some markets over here. Get the railroad tracks out. Over 100,000 people died building this railway during World War II. You see, in 1942, Japanese Imperial Army began constructing what became known as the Death Railroad, a 415-kilometer route connecting Thailand to Burma. The railway was built using Allied prisoners of war and forced laborers who endured brutal conditions like disease, starvation, and even exhaustion. What looks peaceful today was once known as one of the most immense suffering sites in history. Interestingly, this bridge became internationally famous after the release of the 1957 film the bridge on the River Kwai, bring global attention to Kanchanaburi and its history. And as you can see, these tracks are still being used. Trains still use these tracks to transport locals and visitors back and forth, and it serves as both a historical landmark as well as a memorial. Let's go check it out. Check out this bridge, man. Check out this bridge. For those that didn't know, this bridge actually stretches about 415 kilometers, which if you didn't know how far that is a long way. Let's check out in here. This is gonna be the cave. Catch him. Meow. Meow. Sleeping. Got a little temple in here. Hunting, hunting. Very beautiful. I definitely recommend anybody that's either visiting Thailand or that lives in Thailand to definitely check this place out. Now it is 3 hours of a train ride, but if you're into history and just want to travel a little bit, get out the house, I definitely recommend it for a day trip. Now, apart from just the bridge itself, we have a little market here. You can come, get fitted. The fuck? Yeah. Nice, nice, nice. Ready up? Damn. Why bro me wanna give me for it, bro? Smile at that ass too. I usually smile at niggas too, bro. A bunch of different clothing items, as well as souvenirs that you can get over here. So the province that I'm in right now is actually Kanchanaburi. And for centuries, this area served as a defensive outpost, protected Thailand from invasions coming from the west. Today, this province is known for its mountains, rivers, waterfalls, and national parks. But before World War II, this was the center of the infamous Death Railway. What makes Kanchanaburi unique is that it combines the natural beauty with one of the most important historical sites here in Thailand. Yeah, you can spend the morning learning about World War II history, and in the afternoon exploring the rivers, mountains, and local towns. And perhaps the craziest part about the whole thing is that it's only 100 baht from Bangkok. What's going on, guys? Hey, as you can see, I upgraded the kit. Honestly, I think this is gonna conclude it for this video. I'm waiting on the train right now. Should be coming in about 6 minutes, 1:30. Right now it's about 1:24. Heading back to Bangkok. So this is gonna conclude this video. If you guys don't know or haven't seen any of my videos, be sure to check them out. I live here I live in Bangkok, and I make content like this all the time. So be sure to check me out on Instagram, TikTok, and check out my other videos as well. And with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm out.